Today, 2 out of our 8 kitties get in their first round of annual vaccination. I'm sure that every person who owns a cat or who helps cats, works as a volunteer in a shelter, etc., knows how life-saving and important those vaccines are. This is against rabies, against other disease. There's a whole list of them that has been prevented by those vaccines. And all thanks to you, your help and your support. This is not one of those kitties, actually. This kitty likes to be in the camera, right?
This is your assistant.
Yeah,
Oh, kisses.
Bring in the first kitty. First victim kitty. Yes, I know. Bring in the second victim kitty.
Irushka.
Our little gremlin.
She's a good patient.
Yes, she is. And that's it. 2 kitties down, 6 to go. But that's going to be a little bit later because they have their own separate schedule for vaccines, so they have to be vaccinated at a different time every year. And again, that's just for 2 kitties, and we have 8 of them and 9 dogs.